Coming in from the rain, you simply close the Casbrella just as you would a normal umbrella. And then you're drip-free, home and dry. Have you ever tried entering a car with an umbrella? What a nuisance. You have to close the umbrella first, exposing yourself to the rain, get wet, then enter the car with a soaked umbrella. And then all your important papers are now ruined. It's also a challenge exiting the car if you want to open the umbrella and still stay dry. Well, not anymore. The Casbrella closes into the smallest of spaces, keeping you and your belongings dry all the way. And the Casbrella makes leaving the car and staying dry easy. Using an umbrella in a crowd is difficult and hazardous. As the Casbrella opens up and over the user, it avoids poking people in the eye, and closing is a breeze. Designed with additional support spokes, the Casbrella performs excellently in strong winds. In the unlikely event of it blowing inside out, it's no problem. A simple push of the button and the Casbrella's back in shape. Made from high standard materials, the shaft is aircraft quality aluminium. The spokes are lightweight fiberglass, and the double canopy is made from breathable material coated to repel water. Casbrella, how the umbrella should have